If you're hearing a crackling or static noise in FL Studio, don't worry. It's a common issue, but there are a few easy ways to fix it. Let's walk through some adjustments to clear up that sound. First, head to the Options menu and choose Audio Settings. A good starting point is to turn off multi-threaded mixer processing. This setting sometimes causes issues with audio playback, and turning it off might instantly solve the crackling sound. Try this first and see if it works for you. If that doesn't do the trick, let's adjust a couple more settings. In the Audio Settings window, set the buffer length to the maximum. The buffer length controls how much data FL Studio processes at a time. If it's too short, it can cause crackling, so give it more space by increasing the buffer. Next, adjust the offset slider and set it to the maximum as well. This can help by compensating for any timing issues that might cause audio glitches. Now, let's take a look at which plugins might be using up too much CPU. Go to the View menu and select Plugin Performance Monitor. Here, you'll see a list of all the plugins you're using in the project, along with how much CPU each one is consuming. If you notice any plugins taking up a lot of resources, try freezing or consolidating them. This will reduce the load and clear up that crackling. Next, let's prioritize FL Studio's performance. In the audio settings, set the priority to the highest level. This makes sure FL Studio gets the resources it needs to run smoothly. Another useful tip is to change your project settings. Go to the project settings and set the time-based PPQ to 24. This will prevent FL Studio from zooming in too much, which, believe it or not, can help reduce the strain on your CPU. Finally, turn on the Smart Disable feature. Go to Tools, then Macros, and select Smart Disable. This will automatically disable any plugins you're not currently using, further freeing up resources and reducing the chance of crackling. Try these steps one by one, and you'll likely get rid of the crackling sound in FL Studio. If you're still having issues, it might be worth looking into updating your drivers or checking for any background programs using too much CPU. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to producing without any annoying audio glitches.